Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's Robert Anthony with Robert Anthony Photography. Today's video is going to take us to Utah yet again. We are going to go to another spot on the San Rafael Swell called Temple Mountain. The Temple Mountain area is just outside of the Goblin Valley State Park. Now, if you're familiar with Goblin Valley, you'll kind of know the area already. This area that I was in is south of I-70, the interstate that runs between Moab and Salt Lake, I guess. Anyway, after completing a drive through the Buckhorn Wash, and it was just amazing. I'll tell you, it was something. I spent the night at Temple Mountain hoping for great things, but the weather didn't cooperate with me. Not a cloud to speak of in the sky, but it did end up blowing in a pretty bad storm, and that created some drama. So it was so windy I couldn't photograph. It was freezing cold, and I basically spent the evening in the van. But with that being said, I was able to grab a couple of really cool shots. So I'm going to share those with you at the end of this video. But I do want to mention that I'm really excited about something, and that is this. I have finally been able to get Pushed Live, the store where I can sell prints to you. What's most exciting to me right now is in that store, I am now offering standard paper prints, which means that you can buy a shot of one of your favorite pictures or photos from any of my series of videos for really as little as like $12.95. You order them on my store at my website. The link will be in the description below, but I'll give it to you here. It's raphotog.com/store. And when you're there, there are areas that they're classified and categorized down. So we got like Utah. You'll see what I'm talking about. Utah, Arizona, the mountains, the Smokies, whatever. It's really, really cool. I'm really excited that the company that I've partnered with to provide my printing on demand is now offering those in paper print, making it incredibly affordable for you if you have any of the shots that you've liked. So going backwards, every shot that I've shown you throughout my series of videos is going to be available for sale in some way, shape, or form on metal or canvas or paper or whatever. So please check that out. I could use your support. I could use your help financially. Just even a small purchase. Christmas is going to be coming pretty soon, so you'll be able to get that process going. I'm sure people would love to have any number of these epic photos that I've taken. So I really would appreciate your support. Listen, if you haven't liked the video already, if you would please hit the like button, that would be great. I need your comments. If you have questions about anything in this video, pose them down there in the comment section below, and I answer them. I answer every comment that I get, every question that I get. I be sure to answer, and I love interacting with you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I could use that. It would really be a big help. But most importantly, again, if you could support me online financially through the purchase of one of my high-quality prints, that would be just great. So let's get to Temple Mountain. In this video, you're going to see a really, really sweet photo at the end. Without further ado, I want to show you this photo that I got in a challenging circumstance that we all face as photographers when we're traveling. I know you're going to love it. I know you're going to love the photo of Temple Mountain. It is just really, really great. All right? So let's go see it. Thanks. See you soon. I spent my day driving through the Buckhorn Wash, I think. I'm not for sure, but it's part of the San Rafael Swell in Utah. So I got to my camp, and then I decided to move up a little bit higher, and it's really cold out. I mean, it's not super cold. It's like 40. It's going to get down into the high 20s tonight, but it is so freaking windy up here. I haven't been able to get out of the van. It's just so uncomfortable. So I wasn't going to do anything, and I decided, in looking out the window as the sun's getting ready to go down, I might have a shot of Temple Mountain with some clouds over the top of it. I feel obligated to get that shot for you guys. So no drone flying, because it'll blow away. But I'm going to get all completely dressed up. When I say dressed up, I mean putting all my warm clothes on. And I'm going to go up and I think maybe try to get this shot and see how it goes. All right. I'm nervous. It is so windy. Right now, the sun is creeping behind some clouds, and it's kind of slowly, as it's going down below the horizon, working its way across the valley. And I was hoping it would light that mountain up just with a little tiny bit of sun, and I think it's going to cooperate. We'll see. Well, it's a brisk 27 degrees out this morning, here where I'm going to do the photography. And the wind calmed down a little bit last night. It's not quite as windy this morning. So we're going to go up there and go on the downside of that hill. And we're going to photograph the sun coming up over the mountain instead of going down on the other side of the mountain. We don't have any clouds to speak of. We'll see what we can get this morning. With some clear skies. That's not my favorite, but we'll make the best use of the time here as we photograph the sun coming up over Temple Mountain. I'm actually pretty excited about the shot of this mountain over here with the sky, a hazy coral and a blue color over the top of it. I think that's going to be a beautiful shot. I've kind of moved over to there as I noticed that the sky was turning like a bluish pink. And that was real pretty. Yeah. So what we have going on, I've got two opposing things here that I'm trying to photograph. The sun is kissing the top of that snow-covered mountain, and it's a beautiful magenta color. And then it's going to crest over these mountains here, and I've got to get the shot just as the sun is coming over the top of the mountain in order to get the starburst effect that I love to get in my photos. So I've got to kind of work back and forth between these and get both shots simultaneously, because I don't have two cameras, which is fine. So I've got that. Wow, is that ever gorgeous. Blue haze across the bottom of the mountain, and the sun is now getting ready to peak over this mountain range here. I'm going to get that shot. You're going to love it. Yeah, you're going to love it. Yeah, here it comes. Okay. Yeah! Well, that's going to do it for our little adventure to Temple Mountain in the San Rafael Swell area. Overall, pretty happy considering the circumstances. It was freezing cold. 27 degrees when I woke up this morning. So, as always, I appreciate you coming by. If you could hit that like button. If you could subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit that bell notification. Always leave your comments in the comment section below. I love to be able to answer questions or hear from you guys. As the subscriber base is growing, it's exciting to me to hear from all of you. What you're seeing and where you've been, and I've gotten some great ideas from people. So, as always, I really can't say that I appreciate you enough. I really do. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me on these adventures, and more to come. So until the next one, as always, this is Rob. I'm out.